5:16 a.m. and I am very warm already. It's almost 70 degrees and the humidity is absolutely nuts. Today I'm doing the Bog transect, which is the worst transect of them all, arguably. It's kind of like the Blowdown. Well, not as bad as the Blowdown, but there are a bunch of mini Blowdowns, and then there are a bunch of bogs that you have to go through, and some really thick spruce thickets. So it's gonna be brutal. This is one of the transects that so Alex took until like 11 to come out from it, and Katie, I think she didn't finish counting on time because we end our counts at 10. So yeah, it's gonna be a day, but I said I would do it, and I'm certainly not gonna make anybody else do it, so we'll see how it goes. So I've come to the first of the bog points. It's already ridiculously mosquito-y. It's gonna be a fun count. There's some fabulous birds already. Got a ton of thrushes. Well, red squirrels. I heard a white-throated sparrow earlier. So should be a fun count, except for the mosquitoes. This is one of the worst transects. It's either this, or going straight through a bog, which I don't feel comfortable doing because it's full of water. I don't want to sink to my waist. My last point was completely filled with mosquitoes, and they hit, oh god, I had a swarm around my legs, and I could literally hear them drowning out other birds. They were that loud. I'm also definitely not on the transect anymore. I don't know how well you can see that, but the Blowdown is over here. So I'm right on the other side of the Blowdown area. So even though this is not technically the Blowdown transect, it kind of is. So it's the bog and the Blowdown. So Katie's somewhere over there. Hopefully not in too much trouble. I'm getting really annoyed because it's super thick here and the mosquitoes are really bad. But could be worse. Could be worse. This sucks. I just climbed through all of that. That was a heck of a transect. It's 10 exactly. It's the latest I've come out of the forest so far this year. Yeah. really warm, really tired. Yeah, not a good day. But it's over with, so could be worse.